Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the headphones and removing any cable. This prevents accidental strain. Once done, place them on a clean, flat surface and locate the seam where the pad meets the ear cup. Gently prod at 12 o'clock with a nylon spudger. You want a slight lift, not a tear. If the pad is glued, warm it slightly with your hand or a hairdryer on low to soften adhesive. This makes removal safer and decreases the risk of damaging the cup. Now detach the pad by working around the cup in small, even sections. Lift clips or peel adhesive slowly so nothing rips. Once the old pad is off, inspect the mounting ring and foam for damage. Replace parts if necessary. Clean residual adhesive with a 70% isopropyl cloth, but be careful not to let liquid reach the drivers. Dab, don't pour. When the surface is dry, test fit the new pad so you know which edge aligns with each clip or seam before final attachment. To install, align the new pad with the cup's mounting points. Start at the top clip and work clockwise. Press the inner lip into the channel, moving from center out to ensure an even seal. If adhesive-backed, peel the film in stages and press firmly as you go. Once seated, let adhesive set for a few minutes, then power on and play familiar audio to confirm bass and comfort are restored. If you hear muted bass or notice movement, reseat the pad and repeat pressure steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.